here is a very quick craft for your dollhouse. This is one of those slices of these pretty rocks you can buy in all stone shops, and some hobby stores even have them. But these are so pretty, and they will make a great coffee table for your dollhouse. So you can make a leg for this. If you have a 3D printer as I have, you can print something like this and just glue it under the table. And I can even put a balloon light in here to shine it from the back side. If I like to do that, I think I might do that. I will show if I do. Or you can just put a few pieces of wood in here, one big piece of wood or whatever you have. But this piece of stone is so awesome, so cool, and very pretty for a coffee table. So that was just all I wanted to tell you, and just a little hint from me. Happy crafting!